I've got my gift with purchase, and I can't wait to share it with you guys. And you guys, there is a product that will blow your mind. This I will explain to you later on in the video why this is the best gift with purchase ever. You talk about Absolute premium products, they're in here, baby. Just hold on till later in the video and I'll explain it all. The Lancome Summer 2024 gift with purchase. You guys, this is the best gift with purchase ever, 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 ever. And I'm going to walk you through it step by step, product by product. So bear with me because I'm going to be opening a lot of stuff. Now, as with every gift with purchase, you have to have a qualifying purchase of $39.50 or more. That is for your base gift. That's the 6 free goods. If you spend more, in this case, the step up, you got 2 more products if you spent $85 instead of $39.50. But you have to purchase at least $39.50. So you guys, I had talked about on the video last week when we did the shopping trip at Lancome, their new bronzing powder. Well, I got one as my part of my qualifying purchase. And look at this. Oh my. Gorge. Look there. Now, this may be a little dark. I tested the sample in the shopping trip, but this is a medium shade. And I know I've got a slight tan this summer, but that is why I chose the medium shade. And since I wanted the step up and the beach towel, so I wanted the whole enchilada, I had to spend $125 total to get the beach towel. So I had to actually purchase 3 products worth for $125, but I also added my Tawny Doll Matte Stick Foundation. If you guys have not seen me do videos on this, it is a foundation, but I do it as cover up and teach you little tricks on videos on my YouTube channel about using the matte stick foundation as cover up and contour. And I also got my favorite, you guys know I love my Mr. Big, which is the Monsieur Big mascara. No falsies needed, ladies. It is so luscious and wonderful. Look at those long bristles. It is the best mascara on the planet. And one of the greatest things about the gift to me is our cute little Terry bag. Look, it's monogrammed with the Lancome symbol. It's so soft, perfect for a beach or pool day. Now it's time to dig into our base bag of goodies. Is this not glorious? I'm so excited. Now, they have gifted the Lancome Absolue Soft Cream. And if you guys have not, I've got loads of videos on my YouTube channel about the wonderful Absolue products. Rose, the Rose 80, the Lancome Eye Cream, the Soft Cream I just did, the Lancome Absolue Emulsion and Essence. Oh my God. But here we have the trusty Soft Cream made with Grand Rose Extracts, Prosylane. Look at that. Pink. Smells wonderful, but it feels amazing. You feel like you're being indulged and you're being pampered with the Lancome Absolute. Now, for more goodies, the cleanser in the Absolute collection, which is the Revitalizing and Brightening Collection, is the Creme Mousse Confort. And this is for extra dry or sensitive skin. And you can always tell because the pink is usually for the dry or sensitive skin, and anything in the blue, like the toners or the cleansers or any of that, pink is for dry or sensitive, and blue is for all skin types or acne prone. But the Creme Mousse Confort, it is so luscious. When it says mousse cleanser, you guys, definitely. And another glorious product that is in the Lancome gift. This is with either collection that you pick, either the Absolute Revitalizing and Brightening or the Renergie Lifting and Firming, is shade 274 French Tea Warm Dusty Rose. And this is so gorgeous. It is one of those adaptable shades that it's light enough to wear in the summer with browns and neutrals and corals and all the beachy things, but it has the neutral tones that can adapt into the fall and wear with more of our fall colors. Is that not pretty? And we just have a few more products till we get to the best one. Hold on. The next product in the gift with purchase is the Indulge mascara. And as you can see, it's got a curvy wand, perfect travel size, and perfect application for a great mascara. And the gold, honey, the gold, the gift that they never give, the Absolue serum is in the gift with purchase this year. And if you guys have seen my videos a couple weeks ago, this is like a $270 product, full size. We have a travel size Absolue, the serum, in the gift with purchase. It is so luscious. It is wonderful. I would show you guys on my hand like I did in the Dillards the other day, but this is like gold. And I don't want to put it on my hand and waste it because it needs to go on my face. But you guys, they never gift the Absolute serum in the gift with purchase. That's why this is the best gift with purchase ever. And now for the Step Up. The first of the two Step Up products. And this is the Lifting and Firming Collection. I chose the Absolute for the base collection because I wanted the serum, but I chose the Lifting and Firming Renergie Step Up because I wanted the eye cream. So we've got the Tonique Comfort, and this is, like I said, pink is for dry or sensitive skin. This is Tonique Comfort Toner, and we have the Renergie U. Yeax, that's French for eye, but it's the Renergie eye cream, and I was dying to try this. Oh my gosh. You guys, I will give a product review of this video coming soon when I've had a chance to try it. And we can't forget the Lancome monogrammed embossed beach towel. You guys, it is definitely worth it when you only have to spend $39.50 to get your Absolute serum totally free when that's a $270 product. It is worth the gift with purchase. If you spend $80, you get 2 additional more products. And if you spend $125, you also get the Lancome beach towel and the little terry bag that all come with the gift this year. It is amazing. You guys, check out kimsbeautybizz.com. It is filled with loads of free ebook resources, totally free to you, just because I love sharing. It's got to do with beauty, fashion, skincare, makeup, a little bit of relationship spice thrown in there for good measure. But go to the website and check it out if you love the Lancome products and you want to know more about how they can help each of your specific skincare concerns and each of the Lancome skincare product lines. I have a free Lancome skincare guide on the website. All the links with the videos I've spoke of are in the description, and the link to the website is in the description. Check out your Lancome skincare guide, absolutely free. You guys, this has been wonderful. Till next time, I love you. Bye-bye.